Did you know that ant colonies can be miles in length? I mean, you might have seen videos where hot metal was poured into an ant colony and it showed how amazingly complicated they are. But when these scientists came across a secret ant kingdom, they poured the hot cement non-stop for 3 days until 10 tons of cement disappeared down the deep hole. This colony stretched 2 stories underground and housed 1 billion ants. And after 2 weeks of non-stop cleaning, a beautifully genius-crafted ant kingdom emerged, complete with roadways, highways, storage homes, apartments, and even garbage centers.